Niha, I am Kouachi Jmuddin from Algeria, representing SAR Smart industry. I had the pleasure by visiting the DXTECH factory where I received training about our machines like CNC cutting machine, press brake machine and laser cleaning machine, where everything was well explained. And I am really impressed by the quality and performance of their equipment as well as the support provided by their engineer and team. A special thanks goes to Miss Anne for her professionalism and support throughout the entire process. CNC Text